how to temporarily hide your actual location in Apple's Find My app. Do you want to temporarily hide your actual location in Apple's Find My app on your device without adequately switching off the location sharing? Then you're at the perfect spot, as GadInsider's compiled a step-by-step guide to help you maintain privacy without raising suspicion. Users will be required to have almost 2 devices connected to their Apple account with Find My already enabled to obscure their actual location, either a phone or an iPad, or 2 iPhones or 2 iPads. Firstly, leave what you need to use as your displayed location, such as an iPad. Notably, this method doesn't apply on the Mac. Now follow these steps on your iPhone. Firstly, launch the Find My app and click on the Me tab in the center of your screen. Now toggle off, swipe down, and browse Use this iPhone as my location. Afterwards, open Find My on another Apple device and click on the Me tab. Now click on Use this device as my location. Now toggle on the button right next to Share My Location, and now you can easily enjoy shopping without even displaying your actual location. If you want to resume normal location sharing, then launch your iPhone's Find My app and toggle Use this iPhone as my location back on. It's important to note that this trick only works until your backup device is stationary and powered on, otherwise it will stop working.